Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net where I'm going to show you how you can turn off your current location on Snapchat. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that you can do to turn off the location on the Snapchat app is you have to open the app first. And then you have to tap the little pin icon that is given at the bottom left of the screen. Now this will show you a map and your location as well. Now, if you don't want to share it with your friends, you are getting two options here. So for that, for the first option, you have to use the settings icon given at the top right corner. And here you will see one option that says ghost mode. So when this is enabled, your friends can't see your location. So if you don't want your Snapchat friends to know about your current location, you can always keep this on. Alright, so now you can see there are three options again. You can choose a duration from 3 hours, 24 hours to until turned off. So it's better to choose the last one. Alright, so that's one option that you can use to hide your location. And if you want to keep this off, and you can also select like if you want to share your location with your friends or with some of your friends. Alright, so you can do that as well. Now if you turn off the ghost mode, that's one thing you can do to hide your location or to turn off your location on Snapchat. But if you want this thing to be like foolproof, what you have to do next is you have to just go to your device settings. And now here you will see one option, location. So scroll down on your device and look for the option. So here is the location option. And now here you can go to the Snapchat app, alright. And once you are here, you can just go to the permissions section and you can see what permissions have you given to the Snapchat app, and you can turn the location permission off, alright. So that's the thing you can do. You can simply tap deny, that you don't want Snapchat to know your location and to share it with your friends. So that's the second option that you get. So yeah, these were the two options that you can use to turn off your Snapchat location. That was all for this topic. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and for any issues and queries, you can reach out to the comment box down below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more tech related content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.